guide me through how to do the first question. We're going to prove that similar. We did that yesterday. So give me 3 reasons or maybe even 2 reasons. Start now.
Okay, so in the middle, the conjugate section, that's the vertically opposite, so they're equal.
All right. Okay. Well, you have to give more details. Say angle BCA equals to, you have to refer to the actual angle, ECD. Yep.
This is vertically opposite. And then angle,
Yep.
and then angle ABC and CDE, they're equal because the ultimate angles are equal.
Yep.
And then angle,
Yep. 2 is enough. Yep. Alternate angles. Yep. Alternate angles on parallel lines. Okay, quiet please. So we proved that opposite angle, the vertically opposite angles are equal. The alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles on parallel lines. You don't need to prove the third angle because 2 is enough. So you say therefore. Oh, okay. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ECD, equiangular. Okay. Thank you. Okay. All right. In this question, did you say you want to go through? Tell the whole class how you did it? Yeah. No, I will explain again. Okay, go. What did you do?
In B,
Yep.
what they've done is they're similar, but the small triangle has been rotated down to the side.
Yep, but you had to give me a proof.
DC is related to AC, and
Yep.
BC is the exact same as EC.
Yep.
And what happens is it's just been triple.
Yeah, but that's not enough. That's only 2 sides.
So can I?
Yeah, keep going. I will explain. Yep, keep going.
And then because 2 sides are relative.
Yep. Now, which test did you use? So if I go back to the test, which test did you use? There's 4 tests.
What would it call? But it's only check 3 sides.
No. Well, you can't use the 3 sides because the third side's not given. So use the wrong test. Okay, but it's a good try. It's a good try.
Oh wait, no.
two sides and an angle.
2 sides and right.
Which angle? Right angle? Where's the right angle?
Not the right angle. The bottom one.
Which one? Located. Tell me which angle.
Angle BCD and
Yes, you got it. Okay. Why? Why are they equal? Common. Okay, you got it. Okay. So we have to prove the small one is similar to the big one. The first thing you should do, maybe draw them separately. So I'm going to draw the big one and the small one separately, like this. So we've got the 4, got the 6, got the C, B, and D, right? And the big one is C, A. Okay, let's start. Okay, now, so you got this triangle drawn, BDC with 4 and 6, and the other one is CA and E. The side lengths are 18 and 12. Now, we've got 2 sides, and the 2 angles are the same, which is the common angle. Let's start with the common angle equal. So you say angle ECA is equal to angle DCB, common angle. So we've got one thing equal. Now, there's no other angle that we know whether they're going to be equal or not. Be careful, they are not right angle, even though they look like right angle. So you can't assume that. No, you're not allowed to use it until it is mentioned in the question or it is given as a question.
Because that is not necessarily to scale.
Yeah, not to scale. So I did write that, not to scale.
It's not
Not to scale. Not to scale, okay? Okay? So it's not a right angle. Or not necessarily. Equal. Now we're going to find the sides. Now the sides are in proportion. We have to check that. So to check this, we find the ratio of, now which side will match with EC? Will match with DC, right? Because they are both.
No, EC and BC are not.
Oh, no. EC and BC, because the short one match with the short one. So you write EC over BC, which is 12 over 4. What's 12 over 4? 3. Right? Next one, we do AC over DC. It's 18 over 6. Is it still 3? Yes, it is. So they are both 3. We say the sides are in proportion. Right? The two sides in proportion. So we're going to write down why they are similar now. Let's write a conclusion. So you say, therefore, EC over BC equal to AC over DC. Get it? They're both equal to 3. That means the two pairs of sides are in proportion and the included angles are equal. So we use the test, one of the tests for similarity. So you write down the conclusion. Therefore, triangle CEA is similar to triangle CDB, and the rule is two sides are in proportion and the included angles are equal. That's a test. Now, if you want to know which tests I use, next Friday it's on chapter 4. This is chapter 7. I will do revision next week. Linear relationship lines. Coordinate, number plane. On similarity. Okay, let's do this. Now you want to find out the height of the tree using the similar triangle. So a tree casts a shadow while a 2 meters row sign casts a shadow of 3 meters. Okay, so what you do is you can use similar triangle. So H match with 2, so write H over 2 equal to H match with this side, and then you write 30 match with 3. Get the idea? So the ratio of matching sides are equal. Let's try again. Okay. Alright, I'm going to draw them separately to help you to understand what that means. So you draw the big triangle. That's H and that's 30. And then the other one is 2 and 3, right? So you go H over 2, these two match, equal to 30 over 3. Get the idea? And then you get H over 2 equal to 10. So what's H equal to?
20.
So the height of the tree is 20 meters. Get it? Any question?
Okay.
Alright, okay. H over 2, because H and 2 match the sides. Listen, here. Alright, just let me explain again. H over 2, because H and 2 matching sides, equal to another pair of matching side, 30 over 3. Now, what's 30 over 3? 10. 10, and then do 2 times. That's 10, 30 over 3. Because you times by 2. Times by 2. 20. That's right, it's an equation. Yes, good. Got it? Okay, any more question?
So Josh just did a very
Intimidating gesture. Okay. Let's go through this very easily. Okay, so we start off with summary on geometry. So we got angles in a right angle. So if it's angle in a right angle, the x and y add up to 90 degrees. Angles on a straight line, they add up to 180 degrees. Angles at a point, they add up to 360. Okay, like that. Vertically opposite, they are equal to each other. Okay, good. Next one. Complementary angles sum to 90 degrees. Supplementary angle adds up to 180 degrees. Okay, so after we do this, we're going to look at parallel lines. How do I know if two parallel lines? If the lines are parallel, that means the corresponding angles are equal. Not finished? All right, okay. Okay, let's continue. Okay, next one. Okay, let's continue. Oh, forgot all record. Okay. All right. What are the four similarity tests? And the tests are all three sides are in proportion. All three sides are in. Oh, they're not necessarily equal. Actually, I need to get rid of that. All three sides are in proportion. Okay. Sorry about that. I thought you're not that fast at writing. I can't believe you're up to where I'm up to.
Yeah. Don't you guys keep complaining about how fast?
So you expect us to be behind you.
No, I don't.
You're going really fast.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. All right, next one. Next one, two angles are equal, two pairs, so you say equiangular. Yep. And another one is, that's the two sides. And then you have this one we just used today, two angles and the sides are in proportion. So two sides are in proportion. Yeah. Two sides are in proportion and the included angles are equal. Right, that's a long reason to give, but I think the only popular one that will be used in the exams are mostly this or even that. These are the two of these that you get asked a lot. These tests, particularly this one. That's asked most commonly in exam. All right, and then we'll do the last bit, which is the both right angle. So you see that they're both right angle. They're both right angle, and you will say the ratio hypotenuse of hypotenuse is equal to ratio of two shorter sides. Two shorter sides. Yeah. Of right angle triangle. Okay. Okay. All right. So it's a ratio of the hypotenuse is same as the ratio of the two shorter sides in a right angle triangle. So they both have to be right angle. The ratio of this side is same as the ratio of the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse has to be involved to use this test. So therefore, we can say this means similar to. Okay, good. Any questions? So that's all done. Yeah. All right, good. We are done today. So you do the exercise, the last exercise, and the test and the chapter review. Thank you very much. We're done. Thank you.